Hey traders, Cousin Vinny coming to you from theclosingprint.com on September the 28th, Monday, with a quick look at the trade of the day. Opening range, we saw this gap down. Our game plan was if we saw a weakness with NYSE crossing down, we would look for continued weakness. Now we had this opening range low that was broken. We hit S2 right here at 190.02, and we were looking to be cute and try to trade it a long at this point. We hit VWAP, we got rejected, and when we started to move lower, we decided to cut our losses, which was a good idea. We took the loss at minus 30 cents, and then we flipped our trade. We went long puts and continued to move lower. The point I want to bring out is we had a game plan, and with NYSE moving lower, we should have heeded that plan and looked for an entry on a rejection of VWAP rather than trying to be cute and going long here. The other point is, once we realized we were wrong, instead of getting out of the trade and then going flat, we recognized the trend was moving against us, and we went with a long put position, a very advantageous trade towards the end of the day. We garnered plus 88 cents, so we had a net positive 58 cents on the day. So those puts did quite well. Looking at the way SPY and the indexes have traded towards the end of the day, note the other reason why we decided to stay long the puts is because trend started moving immediately at the open, faded, and then resumed that move higher and stayed elevated all day. Tick hit extreme levels more than 15 or 16 times today. We saw the declining stocks staying elevated most of the day at 498 to 2 advancers, and we had a 21 today, 21 to 1 MDD major distribution day. We had a very big candle to the downside on the daily. We tested the August 26th low, pushed through that, and we have this Marabusu candle to deal with tomorrow. Our thoughts are that we could probably gap down tomorrow, which would set us up for a nice opening range long near previous lows. Now we'd have to see confirmation in that NYMO would turn back up as well, and we'd have to see some of our other breadth indicators like trend drop down to say plus 70, down below plus 1. We want to see balance of power move higher as well, and VIX drop off. Now note we have support down here at around 25.95 down to 25.79. So that's something to keep in mind for tomorrow. We'll have a game plan again for you. Just check us out at theclosingprint.com. Take care. I hope this helps. We'll talk to you tomorrow.